So this is my VMware environment where I have a VM running. I'm going to migrate this VM to a Nutanix cluster. Okay. So I have a cluster here. In the cluster, this is my Prism Central. In the Prism Central, I have a couple of VMs running. And if you see here, there is a, okay, this is the Prism Central. So if you go to VM, and you're seeing the training 01 movie. And this is the VM, which I deployed for the migration. It's very simple, First, you need to upload the images of the move, which you need to download from the internet. Move 470 QCOW to this file. You need to download from the Nutanix website, upload this file, come here, create a VM. And, the one important thing you have to do is um, test. Here you need to select the subnet with manage one because we want to assign IP address automatically to this VM. So we have a manage network which has IPAM enabled. Okay. Yesterday we have covered this, right? The manage network means IPs get assigned automatically to the VM. So, select this because if you select unmanaged, then we have to provide IP manually so that we need to log into this VM and then we need to run some commands to configure the IP. That's a additional process. To make very simple, we go with the manage network so that this VM will get an IP. That one important thing you have to do it, but other than that, nothing else. Here, attach the disk. You know how to create a VM, right? The 2 days back we have covered that. So here the type is going to be a disk cloned from image, and here you have to select the move. These are the steps you have to do it. Okay, maybe I'll quickly show you how to create a VM, but I'm not going to power on this VM. Test PI move, that's a VM name, and I'll make it like 2 CPU and 8 GB. We can go with any values, no problem. Attach the disk because I have attached the disk file. It's a QCOW2 I shown you, right? So keep disk, not the CD-ROM. It's a disk. If it is ISO file, I need to select CD-ROM, but it's a disk file. So I select the disk. The disk file is already uploaded in the images. So has cloned from image. Select the QCOW to save it. The size is 50 GB. Then here attach subnet. I need to select the manage network, which will give IPs automatically from this one. Click save it. And then change it to legacy BIOS mode because my server support only legacy BIOS. So I'm going with this. Click next, create VM. That's it. Okay, so this simple is Nutanix move. So now, after this, you can just PI mode, you can just power on this VM. And this VM already has an IP here, C142. Just copy this IP. Okay, go to browser and enter. And then, you get the okay, let's quickly check the progress, what is happening inside the VM. Okay, so it is still in the installation process. Let's wait some more time to get this, installation complete, but we have nothing to do. It's an automated one. So we can wait for this to get complete. Okay, so we can wait this and we can come back and check this. But till then, we have another move VM running here. You see here, this is the move VM that we set it up already. It is 143. So that 143 fetches refresh. I'm able to get it. So first, as a initial fresh setup, you will be seeing empty one. First, you need to add the environment here. Let me see what's the status of this VM. Okay, I'll show you that. It would be good if we get this VM up and running, because I'll show you how to add the environment, because here this is something already added. Refresh and see if this is getting reachable. No. Okay, but let me remove this. First, I delete this plan. Okay, so when you set up a new VM, move VM, you get a screen like this. First, you need to add the environment. So environment is going to be first VMware ESXi, because from there only we are going to migrate the VM. So you can provide the VMware ESXi IP or vCenter IP. So since we have the VMware ESXi, I'm going with ESXi IP. So okay, so VMware is getting added. Then I need to add the Nutanix information, because source is my VMware, destination is going to be my Nutanix cluster. Okay, so here I have to enter the cluster IP. So training 2, I don't have any VM. I mean, I think I have to go with this training 1. So I'll get the information about my training 01. So I need to know the IP of my cluster. So I click on the cluster name to get the IP. 18.30.1.60, that's my cluster IP. I give the name IP here, and it's Nutanix AHV cluster and admin. Nutanix. Okay, so I'll add it. So now to environment get added here. Okay, so to environment got added, and it is still in the refresh stage. Okay, now it got added. In the ESXi, we have one VM running that I've shown you, right? So we are going to migrate this VM now. Okay, let me over on this VM. I need to check if this VM has a network. Okay, this VM has a network adapter, and make it connect. Save it. Okay, now I go back to move. I'm going to create a migration plan. So migration is ESXi